Hello, everyone. Welcome to Speak Mode English Podcast. My name is Maggie.
And I'm John. We're so happy you're here with us today. We have a lot of fun lessons for you. Are you ready, Maggie?
I'm ready, Joan. Today, we will talk about some important things in English. We will learn how to use some and any, there is and there are, passive voice, question tags, short answers, and indirect questions.
Wow, that's a lot of things. But I'm ready. Let's go slow and practice a lot.
Yes, we will go step by step. First, let's talk about some and any.
What's the difference, Maggie?
Good question, John. Some and any are used with nouns. We use some when we talk about positive sentences. For example, I have some books. We use any when we talk about negative sentences or questions. For example, I don't have any books. Or, do you have any books?
So some is for positive and any is for negative in questions. Can you give me more examples?
Sure. Here's an example with some. I have some water. And here's an example with any. Do you have any water? Now here's another example with any in a negative sentence. I don't have any water.
Okay, some is for positive, any is for questions and negatives. Got it.
Exactly. Let's practice together. I'll say a sentence and you repeat after me. I have some apples.
I have some apples.
Great. Now you try. Do you have any apples?
Do you have any apples?
Perfect. Now let's move on to there is and there are. These are very important in English.
What is the difference between them?
Good question. We use there is for singular nouns. For example, there is a book on the table. We use there are for plural nouns. For example, there are 2 books on the table.
So there is for one thing and there are is for more than one thing.
Exactly. Now let's practice. I'll say a sentence and you repeat. There is a dog in the park.
There is a dog in the park.
Great. Now you try. There are 3 books on the table.
There are 3 books on the table.
Perfect. You're doing so well, John. Now let's talk about passive voice. This is a little bit more advanced, but we will go slow.
What is passive voice?
In passive voice, we focus on the action or the thing, not who does it. For example, the book is read by John. In this sentence, we don't focus on John, we focus on the book being read.
So the action is important, not the person.
Exactly. Let's look at another example. The cake was eaten by Mary. Here, we focus on the cake being eaten, not who ate it.
I see. So we use the verb is or was with the action, and the person comes after.
Yes, exactly. Let's practice with one sentence. The book is read by me.
The book is read by me.
Great! Now let's move on to question tags. A question tag is a short question at the end of a sentence. We use it to check information or ask for agreement. For example, you are John, aren't you? In this case, the question tag is aren't you?
So the question tag matches the sentence. If the sentence is positive, the tag is negative, and if the sentence is negative, the tag is positive.
Exactly. Here's another example. You like pizza, don't you?
So in this sentence, don't you is the question tag.
Yes. Let's practice with some sentences. I will say a sentence and you repeat with the correct question tag. You are happy, aren't you?
You are happy, aren't you?
Great. Now you try. It's raining, isn't it?
It's raining, isn't it?
Perfect. Now let's learn about short answers. Short answers are quick answers to yes/no questions. For example, do you like pizza? Yes, I do, or no, I don't.
So instead of saying a long sentence, we can just say yes or no with the verb.
Exactly. Let's practice. I'll ask a question and you give a short answer. Do you like tea?
Yes, I do.
Great. Now you try. Is it hot today?
Yes, it is.
Perfect. Now let's finish with indirect questions. An indirect question is a way to ask a question more politely. For example, instead of saying, where is the bathroom? You can say, can you tell me where the bathroom is?
So the question changes a little to make it more polite.
Exactly. Let's practice with an example. Can you tell me where the park is? Now you try. Can you tell me how much this costs?
Can you tell me how much this costs?
Perfect. You did great, John. Now let's do a quick review.
Yes, let's review everything we learned today.
We learned about some and any. We practiced there is and there are. We also talked about passive voice. Then we learned about question tags, short answers, and indirect questions.
Wow, that's a lot, Maggie, but I understand everything now. Thank you.
You did an amazing job, John, and thank you to everyone listening. You did great too.
That's right. Keep practicing and you will get better and better at English.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing and have fun with English.